Amazon provides lower returns on affiliate links because they take a percentage of it for themselves. It's best to branch out and join some affiliate programs directly.
Have a look at this program. It can be a powerful addition to your affiliate marketing portfolio. $39 eyeglasses is a great addition for any affiliate seeking to make money. It's best to diversify your affiliate offerings to ensure that your products appeal to the vastest group of people possible. Check this out. This affiliate program sells discount eyeglasses, sunglasses and contacts for men, women and children online. Many people wear glasses and the online buying of first-time and replacement eyeglasses has become normal and expected as like most sellers of products have found, people are busy and would rather be online than in line. This affiliate program sells prescription glasses, prescription sunglasses and eye contacts which opens up a whole spectrum of sales opportunities as most people needing glasses also need sunglasses or contacts. This affiliate program sells eyewear to the masses. The keyword eyeglasses, sunglasses and contacts are searched over 654,000 times per month. This provides a tremendous opportunity to make sales when you employ the keyword strategies necessary to place your affiliate links in the best position online. The average sell is around $39 and affiliates get 11% of each sell. Affiliates are using keyword strategies to place their affiliate links in the searches where people are looking. This is a good affiliate program for an affiliate that is in the beginner phase, intermediate phase and the professional phase. Download this free guide below and learn how to drive traffic to your affiliate links and get your share of these sales. Also, see the resource for grabbing the keywords you need.